This little air pump is definitely very handy in terms of it being small and very portable. I think this would be great to keep in your trunk, especially for those summer trips to the beach where your floaties just need that little bit more of air. Maybe they deflated a little bit from using them throughout the day or something like that. Then this would be very handy to grab and pump it up. So now it did blow up this entire floaty. It does take a little bit of time. You can definitely set it down and come back to it. But it is definitely very handy. This air pump does come with a lot of attachments, and on the side of the box it gives you an idea of what you can use those attachments for, and it also goes over that again in the instructions. It's also a light, so if you press the button, the light comes on, and then it can go brighter when you press it again. Then it turns into a red kind of emergency light, and then just a solid light. And it also lights up red while you're charging it, and then the base will be green when it is all done charging.